Class 1 e-bikes are the go-to choice for many riders due to their versatile usage without any significant limitations in the United States and worldwide. These bikes are equipped with a pedal assist system, which means that they require the rider to pedal to activate the motor. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Class 1 electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Get ready to cruise in style with the Electra Townie Go, featuring our number 5 pick, the Electra Townie Go. With a range of up to 70 miles on a single charge and a charge time of 3.5 to 5.5 hours, this electric cruiser bike is perfect for long rides along the beach or around town. Powered by a 250 watts mid-drive motor, the Townie Go offers smooth and efficient performance. The Shimano Nexus internally geared hub and 400 watt-hour battery provide an edge in electronics, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable ride every time. Both the step-over and step-through options are designed with comfort in mind, featuring upright and relaxed geometry, shock-absorbent 2.35-inch balloon tires, and soft touch points. The flat foot technology allows you to keep your feet flat on the ground while pedaling, ensuring an optimal riding position. The Townie Go also comes with improved hydraulic disc brakes, fenders, and integrated lights, unlike the 7D model. All this at an affordable price of $1,900, making it the perfect choice for a stylish and reliable electric cruiser bike. Behold, the Gazelle Ultimate T10 HMB, our number 4 pick for the best electric bikes on the market. If you're looking for a bike that can take you on big rides with ease, this is the perfect choice for you. At the heart of the Gazelle Ultimate T10 HMB is a Bosch Performance Line motor with 65 nanometers of torque, paired with a 500 watt-hour battery that can take you up to 70 miles on a single charge. The 10-speed Shimano door system and hydraulic disc brakes allow for a smooth and safe ride, while the 28 by 47 millimeter tires provide excellent traction and stability. But what truly sets this bike apart is its focus on comfort. With an upright riding position, ergonomic grips, plush saddle, and front suspension with 30 millimeter of travel, you'll feel like you're floating on air. And with the added convenience of LED lights, fenders, and a rear rack, you can't go wrong with the Gazelle Ultimate T10 HMB. All this for just $3,799. Experience the ultimate off-road adventure with the Orbea Rise M20, our number 3 pick for the best EMTBs available today. This top-tier e-bike boasts an impressive set of components and cutting-edge technology, making it perfect for all kinds of trails and terrains. With a Shimano SLX M7000 111-speed drivetrain, Shimano EP8RS motor, and 360 watt-hour battery, you can expect precise shifting, immediate power output, and long-lasting performance. Plus, the 140mm Fox Float front suspension and 130mm Fox Float rear shock provide unmatched comfort and stability, while the Shimano hydraulic brakes ensure reliable stopping power. But what really sets the Orbea Rise M20 apart is its super light ONR full carbon frame with fully internal cabling, along with the Raceface AR30C tubeless ready wheelset and Max's 2.4-inch tires. This e-bike is a true trailblazer and is ready for anything you can throw at it. At $7,399, it's definitely an investment worth making for avid EMTB enthusiasts. Meet the Trek FX Plus 2, our number 2 pick that comes with a price tag of $2,500. This Class 1 e-bike is designed to offer a lightweight, nimble, and fun riding experience. The bike weighs just 40 pounds and features a 40 nanometers rear hub motor that can power you for up to 35 miles with a 250 watt-hour battery. Additionally, you can add another 250 watt-hour range extender to increase the range up to 70 miles. The Trek FX Plus 2 boasts a 9-speed Shimano Altus rear derailleur, Shimano's MT200 hydraulic disc brakes, and 700C by 40mm Bontrager H2 comp tires, all known for their reliability and durability. All in all, the Trek FX Plus 2 is a solid choice for those looking for a dependable and well-equipped e-bike. The Cannondale Moterra Neo 4 is a true beast when it comes to off-road performance, earning it the top spot on our list. Priced at $5,900, this e-bike packs a punch with its 250 watts 85 nanometers Shimano Steps EP8 mid-drive motor and 630 watt-hour battery, providing ample power and range for even the most challenging trails. Equipped with a 12-speed SRAM SX Eagle drivetrain, RockShox Recon RL Silver Fork, and RockShox Deluxe Select R shock, the Cannondale Moterra Neo 4 provides an exceptional riding experience with its smooth and responsive suspension. The Maxxis Recon 29 by 2.6 inches tires and TRP Slate T 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes further enhance the bike's handling and stopping power, making it a top choice for mountain bikers who demand the best. Crafted from Cannondale's SmartForm C2 aluminum and featuring modern trail geometry, the Cannondale Moterra Neo 4 is built to withstand the toughest conditions and offer unbeatable performance. If you're looking for a high-performance electric mountain bike, the Cannondale Moterra Neo 4 is a must-have. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.